Already a market-leading, award-winning software RIP, this new update to Digital Factory adds powerful tools and features, making it easier than ever to operate, streamlining your production. With the new pane layout feature, all panels in the Digital Factory workspace are now customizable. You can move panes to a new location on screen or even to a second screen. You can resize, remove, or add panes and save your new layout for next time, or export the settings to use on another device. This new system also offers some preset panes layout and functions with both dark and light themes. With the new Universal Controller Driver, or UCD, you can configure a new output device without submitting PRN files to Fiery support for development. The UCD functions as an unlocked driver with several pre-configured print modes, controls, and settings designed to work with most existing controller-based printers. The new PMC CMYK swatch chart helps troubleshooting direct-to-film print issues with the expanded functionality of the test swatch page. The new UI options and ink limit charts enable you to create test swatches and apply different ink settings per CMYK ink channel, quickly identifying any print issues and resolving them in a more targeted way. This new feature is also useful for printers where different ink usages must be set on a per-channel basis. Other PMC improvements include the new PMC expected gamut size, which provides a visual indicator on the quality of the gamut size while profiling a device, offering immediate and easily understood feedback on your configured color profile. For cut workflows, Digital Factory can now generate print labels within weed borders. With this, print inventory management and job identification in print and cut workflows is faster and easier than before. Other additions to 11.2 include improved color replacement settings, the ability to select, import, and export all jobs currently in the queue at once, automated imports of spot color lookup tables, and support for the i1 Studio and NIX Light Ink CMYK settings and spectrophotometer support. Get started with this powerful new update to Digital Factory today at fiery.com/digitalfactory.